Understanding the differences between Azure App Service and Azure Web Apps. In the realm of cloud computing, Microsoft Azure offers a comprehensive suite of services for building, deploying, and managing applications. Among these services, Azure App Service and Azure Web Apps stand out as popular choices for hosting web applications. While both services address the same fundamental need, they exhibit distinct characteristics and target different use cases. Azure App Service, a versatile platform for web applications, mobile backends, and API services. Azure App Service emerges as a broader platform as a service offering that extends beyond web application hosting. Azure Web Apps, on the other hand, focuses specifically on hosting web applications. It offers a simplified and guided experience for developers who primarily focus on web-based applications. Azure Web Apps supports popular web development technologies such as ASP.NET, PHP, and Node.js, making it a suitable choice for beginners and web-centric developers. The primary distinctions between Azure App Service and Azure Web Apps lie in their scope, focus, and pricing models. Scope: Azure App Service embraces a broader scope, encompassing web applications, mobile backends, and API services, while Azure Web Apps targets specifically web application hosting. Focus: Azure App Service caters to developers who require advanced features, customization options, and flexibility, while Azure Web Apps provides a guided experience for beginners and web-centric developers. Pricing: Azure App Service billing is based on app service plans, which define the compute resources allocated to applications. Azure Web Apps billing is based on the number of instances and the amount of compute resources consumed by the web apps. Target use cases: complex applications versus simplified hosting. The choice between Azure App Service and Azure Web Apps depends on the specific needs and requirements of the project. Azure App Service is suitable for developers building and deploying complex and scalable web applications, mobile backends, and API services. Teams requiring flexibility, customization, and advanced features. Organizations managing complex applications with high performance and availability demands. Azure Web Apps is suitable for beginners and developers who prefer a guided web app hosting experience. Teams building simple to moderate web applications with relatively straightforward requirements. Organizations seeking a cost-effective and simplified solution for hosting web apps.